Your previous conversation with DeepSeek are saved as all chats here on the left, so you can jump back to that conversation. You don't need to retrain AI, you can just continue on. So that's going to be really handy, but sometimes we want to remove them. You can remove one chat just by pressing those three dots and selecting delete. If you'd like to remove all of them in one click, it's also possible. Just head to your profile here at the bottom, my profile, and you got option to delete all chats in one go. Click on that. You will need to reconfirm that with this red button, and your whole history will be deleted. And as you can see, no chat history here on the left. Alright, so that's how you can delete all of the chats with just one click in DeepSeek. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next tutorial.